Sora Fujimoto built her subscription box from a spare room, curating each month's surprises herself. No storefront, no staff. Every sign-up, every subscriber ran through the website she was so proud of. Like every online store, her site had the usual tools bolted on. A live chat box. Analytics. A tool that quietly recorded how visitors moved through the pages so she could make them better. She never once thought about what they were doing. The letter came by email on an ordinary Monday, sitting there between a supplier note and a subscriber question. Dear Mrs. Fujimoto, our client visited your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: a chat box that copied visitor messages to a third party, a script that recorded every keystroke, including the sign-up and checkout, advertising pixels that shared activity with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $29,750 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Sora did not believe it. Her site could not be doing that. So she ran a scan of her own website and she watched it happen. The moment the page loaded, before a single visitor clicked accept, 11 trackers fired. And one of them was recording every keystroke on her sign-up. Her subscribers, typing their card numbers, their home addresses, and a script, quietly copying all of it to a stranger's server. She sat back cold. She had built a business people trusted with their money, their names, their address. And her own website had been handing that to companies she had never heard of every day before anyone said yes. She had no idea her lawyer was honest with her. This kind of letter does not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree these cases hold up. It only has to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $29,750. That was the stock she had already ordered for next month's boxes. It was the thin margin a small subscription lives on. It was a punch straight to the gut, but sitting there, Sora realized the panic had a cure. She could see exactly what her site sent and when, the very thing they had scanned. She did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. She could walk into this knowing what was actually true. Sora had built something real in a spare room with her own two hands. And the thing that nearly undid her was invisible, running quietly on her own website every single day. Right up until the moment she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information.